Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell the solutions of exercise 13.7 from surface areas and volumes from NCERT class 9. This is first problem. Find the volume of the right circular cone with radius 6 centimeters and height 7 centimeters. Second one, radius 3.5 centimeters and height 12 centimeters. So first one, we have to find volume of the right circular cone is equal to 1 by 3 into pi r square h. Here r value is 6 centimeters and height is 7 centimeters. So 1 by 3 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r is 6, so 6 into 6 into height is 7 centimeters. Then 3 ones are 3 2s are 6 and cancel 7 7 and 22 into 2 is 44 into 6, that is equal to 264 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the right circular cone of the radius 6 centimeters and height 7 centimeters. Second one, volume of the right circular cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, that is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into here radius is 3.5 centimeters. So 3.5 into 3.5 into height is 12 centimeters. So that is equal to cancel 3 ones are 3 4s are 12 and 7 ones are 7, 0.5s are 3.5. So multiply 22 into 0.5 into 4 is equal to 2. So 3.5 into 2.0 and again multiply 3.5 into 2 is 7.0, then 22 into 7 is equal to 154 centimeter cube. This is second problem. Find the capacity in liters of a conical vessel with first one radius 7 centimeters and slant height is 25 centimeters. Second one height 12 centimeters and slant height is 13 centimeters. So here we have to find capacity in liters of a conical vessel. So radius of the conical vessel is equal to r is equal to 7 centimeters and slant height L is equal to 25 centimeters and height h is equal to, here we know that this is a right circular cone, so here this angle is 90 degrees, so L square is equal to h square plus r square. So h square is equal to L square plus r, L square minus r square, so h is equal to square root of L square minus r square, that is equal to square root of 25 square minus 7 square, that is equal to, here L value is 25 and R value is 7. So 25 squares is 625 minus 7 square is 49. So 625 minus 49 is equal to 576. So square root of 576 is equal to 24 centimeters. So this is the height of the conical vessel, that is equal to 24 centimeters. Now we have to find capacity of the conical vessel in liters, that is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So that is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r value is 7 centimeters. So 7 into 7 into h value is 24 into 24. Then 3 ones are 3, 8s are 24 and cancel 7 7. Then 22 into 7 is 154 into 8, that is equal to 1232 centimeters cube. But here we want to find capacity in liters. So 1232 by 1000 liters. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 by 1000 liters. So divide this number with 1000, then you will get in liters, the capacity in liters. So 1.232 liters. In the next question, height of the conical vessel is given, that is h is equal to 12 centimeters. This is given, and slant height is also given, L is equal to 13 centimeters, and here we have to find radius of the base. So here again L square is equal to h square plus r square. So r square is equal to L square plus L square minus h square. So r is equal to square root of L square minus h square, that is equal to square root of L value is 13, 13 square minus h value is 12, 12 square, that is equal to square root of 13 square is 169 minus 12 square is 144, that is equal to square root of 25, that is equal to 5 centimeters. So this is the radius of the base. Now again we have to find capacity of the conical vessel in liters, that is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, that is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r value is 5. 5 into 5 into h value is 12 centimeters. So 12, that is equal to 3 ones are 3, 4s are 12 and 22 by 7 value is 3.14. You can directly write this value into 5 5s are 25. 25 into 4 is 100. That is equal to 3.14 into 100 is equal to 314 centimeter cube. But here we have to calculate this value in liters. So 314 by 1000 liters, that is equal to 0.314 liters. This is third problem. The height of a cone is 15 centimeters. If its volume is 1570 centimeter cube, find the radius of the base. Use pi value as 3.14. Here height of the cone h is given, that is 15 centimeters, and volume is also given, that is 1570 centimeter cube, and we have to find the radius of the base. Volume of the cone, we know that 1/3 pi r square h. So this value is given, that is 1570 is equal to 1 by 3 into pi value is 3.14 into r square into h value is 15. So that r square is equal to 1570 by, here 3 ones are 3 5s are 15. So 3.14 into 5. That is equal to 314 by 3.14, we can write as 314 by 100. So here 100 by 314. Then cancel 314 and 314. Then r is equal to square root of 100, that is 10 centimeters. Therefore, radius of the base r is equal to 10 centimeters.